Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll continue this section 3.4, where what we did, we talk about the chain rule and we apply it with the power rule and then with the transcendental formulas, finding the derivative. Now we'll move to this part where I need to find the derivative of the logarithmic function, including the natural one. What's the derivative of ln x? This is the rule. It should be 1 over x. What's the derivative of ln u? Using the chain rule, it will be 1 over u, d over dx, or u prime over u. So this is u. So it will be the derivative. It will be over u, derivative of this, which is 2. So that will be 1 over x. This one over u, derivative of this, which is 2x. Here I have product rule. So the derivative of the first, 1 times the second, plus x times derivative of the second, which is 1 over x. So I have what? Ln x plus 1, or I can write it 1 plus ln x. Yeah, this one. I have function to the power 3. Function to the power 3. So using the chain rule, I have 3, the function square times the derivative of the function, which is 1 over x. So that will be 3 ln x square over x. Okay. Ln square root x plus 1. When we have the ln, sometimes it's better to use the properties of ln to simplify the function. So this one will be ln x plus 1 to the power half. This is the function. I did not do any derivative until now. That will be half ln x plus 1. Now I will do the derivative. F prime will be half. This is what? X plus 1, derivative of this, which is 1. So the answer is 1 over 2, x plus 1. The same thing here. First, I need to simplify this one. So that will be d over dx of what? This is ln a over b. So it will be ln a minus ln b. Also, this one, I can make it as a power. So I have d over dx ln x plus 1 minus, this is the power half, so that will be half ln x minus 2. Until now, I did not do any derivative. Now I will do the derivative. That will be x plus 1, derivative of this, which is 1. This is half a number, x minus 2 times 1. So I have 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over 2, x minus 2. You can write it in a different way. It's up to you. Same thing here. So first, before I differentiate, I need to rewrite the function in a better way to be differentiated. So I have ln x plus ln x square plus 1 square minus ln 2x cubed minus 1 to the power half. So that will be ln x plus 2 ln x square plus 1 minus half ln 2x cubed minus 1. So this is now f of x. Now what will be f prime of x? 1 over x. This is 2. I have x squared plus 1, derivative of this, which is 2x. I have 2x cubed minus 1, derivative of this, which is 6x squared. So my answer is 1 over x plus 4x over x squared plus 1. This is 1, this is 3, minus 3x squared over 2x cubed minus 1. Okay, what about ln absolute value of x? Ln absolute value of x. Okay, if you think about this function, ln absolute value of x, this will be ln minus x if x is negative, ln x if x is positive. Okay. Now, what is the derivative? D over dx of ln minus x. According to the rule, that will be minus x times derivative of this, which is minus 1. I am back to 1 over x. So f prime of x will be what? It will be 1 over x if x is negative, 1 over x if x is positive. So I can write f prime of x, this is the same, 1 over x, where x not equal to 0, yeah, for sure. Actually, it will not be defined at 0. Also, in general, if I have ln absolute value of u, ln of absolute value of a function, what will be the derivative? U prime over u. So either with absolute value or without absolute value, I'm getting that. U prime over u. Yeah, be careful if you have absolute value of x, then x can be positive or negative. But in the previous one, x here should be positive. Yeah. Also, we have the formulas for function with bases other than e. What is the derivative of a to the power x? Don't forget, what is the derivative of e to the power x? That will be e to the power x. But if I have a to the power x, I need to add, multiply by ln a. If I have a to the power of a function, then also I need the ln a to the power of the function. Don't forget the things needed for the chain rule, which is u prime. Don't forget also if I have ln x, what will be the derivative? 1 over x. Now, if I have log x with the base a, I know that ln x is log x with the base e. Huh? Log x with the base a, I need ln a in the denominator. 1 over x, but I need ln a in the denominator. If I have log u with the base a, then I need, it will be 1 over ln a times u in the denominator times the derivative of u prime. Let us apply it. 2 to the power a. So we'll apply this one. 2 is a, so we have what? Ln 2 to the power x. 2 to the power 3x. So we'll apply this one. So I have ln 2 a to the power u, 2 to the power 3x, times derivative of u, which is 3. So that will be 3 ln 2 to the power 3x. Log cosine, this is my u, with the base 10. Log u, a is 10. So that will be 1 over ln 10 times cosine x. This is cosine x times derivative of cosine x, which is minus sine x. So my answer is will be minus 1 over ln 10 times tan x. Sine over cosine is tan. Okay. This one, as we said before, if I have log something over something or something times something, sometimes it's easier to rewrite the function. Before I start finding y prime, I need to rewrite the function. I have log with the base 3. This is x to the power half minus log with the base 3x plus 5. So that will be half log x with the base 3 minus, yeah, I need to control the space. Yeah, let me do the space here. Y, this is y. Log with the base 3, x to the power half, log with the base 3, x plus 5. That will be half log x with the base 3 minus log x plus 5 to the base 3. Now we'll find y prime. Y prime will be what? Half. This is base 3. So I'm doing this. It will be 1 over ln 3 times 1 over x. This one, it will be 1 over ln 3 times 1 over x plus 5. Then I'm doing this one. Here's my u. U is x plus 5, and the derivative of u is 1. So that will be the answer. You can rewrite it, you can simplify it. Okay. Log with the base 10, 2 plus sine x. What will be f prime? F prime, I'm applying this formula. But I have u, so it will be 1 over ln 10 times 1 over u, which is 2 plus sine x, times derivative of u. What's the derivative of u? Cosine x. So the answer is cosine x over ln 10, 2 plus sine x. Okay. Now these are different examples. Yeah. And then we'll do all the examples. Okay. Let us apply the formulas. 1. This is log u with the base 3. With the base 3. So it will be y prime 1 over ln 3, 1 over u times derivative of u. And that will be 2x. We have log with the base 2 sine x plus cosine x. That will be what? U prime 1 over ln 2, 1 over u times derivative of u, which is cosine minus sine. Okay? And I can rewrite it cosine okay. 3. This is what? Log with the base y. I'm just rewriting y. Y will be log with the base 3 of this all to the power half. This is y. Now I need to find the derivative. I have something to the power half. So u prime will be half that things to the power minus half derivative of this. Now I need the log. 1 over ln 3 times 1 over u derivative of this, which is 2x plus 2. So I can take 2 common factor here. So 2 cancelled with 2. I have log with the base 3. No, this will be in the denominator. What I have in the numerator, x plus 1. Denominator, I have ln 3. I have log with the base 3. And then square root. And also I need, yeah, did I miss anything? 4, which is this one, ln of this. So it will be y prime 1 plus tan x, derivative of tan, which is secant squared x. That's it. Number 5, I have product of 2 functions. So y prime, derivative of the first, which is 1, ln 1 plus ax plus x times 1 plus ax, derivative of this, which is a to the power x. So that give me then, that give me then 1 plus ax plus x ax. More. Y equal ln x over x. So you have function over function. So y prime, derivative of ln 1 over x times the denominator minus derivative of the denominator, which is 1 times ln x over x squared. That will be 1 minus ln x over x squared. 7. Sometimes it's easy. This is ln x squared. The y is ln x squared all to the power 3, which I can simplify it as 2 ln x all to the power 3, which I can simplify it or can leave it like this. So y prime will be 3 to ln x squared times derivative of this, which is 2 over x. That give me what? Yeah, 2 squared with 2 decisions will be 4. So I have 6, 4 times ln square x over x. So it will be 24 ln square x over x. Okay. 8. 8 we did it before. Y prime will be 1 over x. 9. Y prime will be x squared minus 5 times 2x. 10. Ln of ln. So I have, this is u. So y prime 1 over u times derivative of u, which is 1 over x. So that'll give me 1 over x, then x. 1 over x, then x. Yeah. Now with the exponential, what will be y prime? Let us remember the formulas. A to the power u, it will be ln a to the power u times derivative of u. So this is u. So that will be ln a to the power u times derivative of this, which is 6x squared plus 5. That's it. Second one, this is u. So y prime will be ln 3 times 3 to the power sine x times derivative of this, which is cosine x. Yeah. They're just putting all the formulas in one slide. It's easy to remember. These are the things. And this is the chair rule. We have the chair. If you have function. Okay, let us do these old exams question. This is a direct one. What will be f prime at x? Derivative of x, which is 1, a to the power x. It will be a to the power x times ln a. So when you want f prime at 1, that will be 1 plus 72 ln of 72, which is this one. X squared root of x plus x ln x. Yeah, let me simplify this. This will be x to the power 3 over 2 plus x ln x plus a plus 2 to the power a. Don't forget, these are just constants. Huh? So it will be f prime of x. It will be 3 over 2 x to the power half plus, this is product rule. Actually, we did it before. derivative of the first one times ln x plus x times 1 over x. So this is 1. So I have here what? 3 over 2 root x, and I have plus 1 plus ln x, which is this. Ln of this. So it will be f prime of x, this one, times the derivative of this one, which is 6x plus 1. What they want? They want f prime at 0. That will be 1 over 1, which is 1. So that will be my answer. Ln of absolute value of u. Remember, we said if I have ln absolute value of u, then the derivative is what? U prime over u. Okay. So u prime, I have u times derivative of u. Okay. Now we need to be careful. I have chain rule here. Secant of x over 2. So that will be secant x over 2 tan x over 2 times derivative of u, which is half. Now, what about tan x over 2? That will be secant square x over 2 times half. Okay, I can take half secant x over 2 common factor. What you will get? You will get tan x over 2 plus secant x over 2. So this is cancelled. So my answer is half secant x over 2. What they want? They want y prime at 0. That will be half secant 0. Secant 0 is 1, so that will be half. Ln of cosecant x plus cotan x. Okay, what will be y prime? This is cosecant x plus cotan x. As you notice, these are just formulas, huh? So you need to be sure about the formulas and you apply them correctly. Derivative of cosecant, which is minus cosecant cotan. Derivative of cotan, which is minus cosecant square x. Okay. Now I can take minus cosecant x common factor. I have cotan x plus cosecant x over cosecant x plus cotan x. Cancelled, so I'm getting minus cosecant x. Minus cosecant x. Yeah. Okay. This is function over function. So it will be f prime. This is a needed chain rule here. That will be a to the power u. So it will be 3 to the power 2t times ln 3 times the denominator, which is t, minus derivative of the denominator, which is 1, 3 to the power 2t over t squared. Okay, what they want f prime at 1. F prime at 1, substitute. What you will get? 3 to the power 2, which is 9. Is it? I forget derivative of u. Yeah. Look, let us do it step by step. If I have a to the power u, if I have a to the power u, a to the power u, then it will be ln a. A to the power u, don't forget derivative of u. So it will be a to the power u, that will be ln a, ln 3, a to the power u, times derivative of 2t, which is 2, times the denominator, which is t, minus. Derivative of t is 1, so times the numerator.
over t square. F prime at 1. That will be ln 3. 3 to the power 2 times 9 times 2 times 1 minus 3 3 at equal 1, 3 to the power 2, which is 9 over 1. That will be 18 ln 3 minus 9. Yeah, be careful with the calculation. This is product of two functions. This is product of, let me write the y, 2 to the power x log 1 plus x squared with the base 2. So it will be y prime, derivative of the first, 2 to the power x ln 2. This is only derivative of the first, times the second, plus the first, derivative of the second. The second will be what? Here I have ln 2, and here I have u. Derivative of u is there, 2x. Now what I want y prime at 1. That will be 2 ln 2 log 1 plus 1, log 2 with the base 2, which is 1 actually, plus 2 to the power 1, 2 times 2 over ln 2 times 2. Yeah, this is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this is cancelled. So I'm getting what? This is equal to 1. 2 ln 2, I can take it as a power. So that will be ln 2 to the power 2 plus 2 over ln 2, which is ln 4 plus 2 over ln 2. Yeah, more. Yeah, if it's like that, first I need to simplify the function. H of x will be what? Log the base 3 x. This is I can make it to the power half. Let me do it quickly. Log with the base 3 of x minus 1 minus log 2 with the base 3. What is this? This is a number. I don't care what is that number. So it will be the derivative of that. That will be 0. So let me do it now. This is 1 over ln 3 times x plus half 1 over ln 3 times x minus 1. This is derivative of this is 0, minus 0. So I have now h prime at 2, 1 over 2 ln 3 plus what? 1 over 2, 2 minus 1 over ln 3 also. So I have 2 over 2, so I have 1 over ln 3, which is this. Look at this. This reminds us with the definition of the derivative. Limit x goes to a f of x minus f of a over x minus a. So this is f prime at 1, where f of x is log 2 of x squared plus 1. This is f of x at 1, I have log 2, which is f of 1. Yeah. Okay. So now we need to find the derivative of this, substitute at 1. So it will be f prime at x. 1 over half ln 2 here. We have x squared plus 1. Derivative of this, which is 2x. I want f prime at 1. That will be 2 over ln 2 over ln 2 times 2. Cancelled. So you have 1 over ln 2, which is this. Ln x over 1 plus ln x. I need the y double prime. So first, y prime. Y prime will be what? Derivative of ln x, numerator 1 over x times the denominator minus ln x, derivative of this 1 over x all over 1 plus ln x all square. Let us simplify it. I have 1 over x plus ln x over x minus ln x over x all over 1 plus ln x square. So this is cancelled. So I'm getting 1 over x. Let me make it like this. Leave it 1 plus x, 1 over x here. And this is 1 plus ln x all square. Now let me find the second derivative. You want the second derivative. Now derivative of the first, of the numerator, minus 1 over x squared times the denominator. Okay, minus 1 over x, derivative of this, which is 2, 1 plus ln x, times derivative of this, 1 over x. All of this, not cube, squared of 4. Okay, let me try to simplify it now. Yeah, to do that, I can take minus 1 over x squared, and I have this is x squared, this is 1, so 1 plus ln x. Take this as a common factor. What is the remaining? If I divide this by this, I'm getting 1 plus ln x. Okay. I took the minus 1 over x squared. This is over x squared, huh? This is there, plus 2 over 1 plus ln x to the power 4. This is cancelled, remaining 3. So it's minus and the numerator 3 plus ln x. Here I have 1. Okay, which is, oh, don't forget the x squared. Calculation. Ln of this. Yeah, remember I said this is, we'll do it later. Now let us do it. What I will do first, I need to simplify the function. This minus 2 will come there. So I have minus 2 ln. This is quotient. So I have ln 3x squared minus 2 minus ln 2x plus 3. This is the function. Now prime. Minus 2 is minus just a constant. Here I have 3x squared minus 2, derivative of this, 6x, minus 2x plus 3, derivative of this, which is 2. What they want? They want g prime at minus 1. So this is minus 2. Here I have what? Minus 6. Minus 6 over 1. Yeah. Minus 1 squared is 1 times 3. Minus 2, this is 1. Minus 2 over 2 times minus 1. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2 plus 3. That will be 1 also. So you have minus 2 times minus 8, which is 60. That will be my answer. Same thing here. What is the question? The question is said, suppose if it's differentiable, he wants g prime at 9. Yeah. You want g prime at 9. And we are given what? F of g of x. Okay. If we differentiate this, I'm getting what? F prime at g of x times g prime of x is equal 1 over ln 3 times x. Okay. And differentiating this statement. Here, chain rule. Here, just I'm doing the log. Okay. Now, What is f prime at g of x? I know that f prime of x will be 1 plus f of x squared. So let me put instead of x, g of x. I'll put instead of x, g of x using this expression. So I'm getting what? 1 plus f of g of x square times g prime of x equal this. What I did, I took x, I put g of x instead of x. And I just write the same. So f prime at g of x, here, f prime at g of x will be 1 plus f of g of x squared. And this is what I did. So I replaced this with this one. Now, what is f at g of x? It's this one. So I replace it again. That's 1 plus log x with the base 3 square times g prime of x 1 over ln 3 times 6. I think now we are ready. I need what? They want g prime at 9. So for sure I will let x equal 9. See what will happen. So we have 1 plus log 9 with the base 3 square times g prime at 9, which I'm looking for. That will be 1 over 9 ln 3. Okay. What is this? This is 2. So 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 squared, that will be 1 plus 4, that will be 5 times g prime at 9 is 1 over 9 ln 3. So what is g prime at 9? It will be 1 over 45 of ln 3, or divide by 5. And this is the answer. Yeah. Within this function, the rate of change of y with respect to the next equal. What they want? They want f prime at 1. So let me find f prime. F prime will be 2 to the power u. So it's 2 to the power u times ln 2 times derivative of u. Let me times ln 2 derivative of u, which is 2x plus, what's the derivative of this? 1 over ln 2x. F prime at 1. That will be 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 times ln 2 times 4 plus 1 over 2 ln 2. X is 1, sorry. X is 1, so 1 over ln 2. That give me what? 4 times 4. Sorry. X is 1. X is 1. So 2 to the power 1 plus 1, 2 to the power 2. This is 2. So I have 4 times 2. That will be 8 ln 2 plus 1 over ln 2. X is 1. And we get that x equal 1. So that will give us an equation to the tangent line to the curve at this point. Okay. This is the point of tangency satisfying the curve. How to find the equation? It first find the slope, m tangent, y prime at 1. So what is y prime? Product of two functions. 2x ln x plus x squared. Sorry. Derivative of the first, 2x ln x plus x squared, derivative of ln x, which is 1 over x. So it is x plus 2x ln x. What will be empty? The slope of the tangent. It will be y prime at 1. That will be 1 plus, this is ln 1, 0. So that will be 1. So the slope is 1. So what will be the equation? and we have the point. So it's y minus 0 equals 1 times x minus 1. So y equal x minus 1. That will be the answer. Yeah, now this is the story. Then we have two more to go. Okay. If y equal mx plus b is the equation of a line parallel to this line. This is parallel to this line. Okay. So let me call this one L1, call this one L2. And L1 is tangent to the graph of this. Okay. So L1 parallel to L2. That means the slope of L1 equal the slope of L2. And that means, what is the slope of L1? M. And what is the slope of L2? Ln2. That will be M is equal to ln2. This is my first step. Okay, we get M. Now we need to get B, because I want B also. Okay, so use the second statement. This line is tangent to the graph of this. It means the slope of L1 is f prime at a point. Will be f prime at x. At the point A, or at the point, okay. It will be at a point A. Well, let me say the point of tangency. I'll make it at x equal A. Okay. So I know the slope of L1, this is the tangent line. The slope of L1 is equal f prime at A. And y at A, let me call this y3. y1 at A, let's call this y1, this is y2. y1 at A is equal to y3 at A. They agree at that point. Okay, now let me use this to find B. ML1, that means M, what is f prime? F prime at x. I mean y3 prime, huh? This is f of x, we call this f of x. Okay, so f prime at x, that will be 2 to the power x plus 3 times ln2. Derivative of x plus 3 is 1. So I have M will be at A, 2 to the power A plus 3 times ln2. Don't forget that M is ln2, huh? M is ln2, this is ln2. That means 2 to the power A plus 3 will be equal to 1, which is 2 to the power 0. So A equals minus 3. I got A. Now, A equal minus 3. Then I will use this statement to find B. So I substitute A in y1 and in y3, in the function and in the tangent line. It should be the same at this point of tangency. So I have y1 at A equal y3 at A. That means what? MA plus B. Don't forget M is ln2, huh? So I have ln2 of A times A plus B equal 2 to the power minus 3 plus 3, which is 2 to the power 0, which is 1. So what is B? A, we know it. A is minus 3. So B will be 1 plus 3 ln2. So this is B, this is M. What I need? I need M plus B. ln 2 plus this, so I have 1 plus 4 ln 2, which is this. Let me do it again, or state what we did. I have the first line, L1 is parallel to this line, so the slope, they agree, we get M. No, this line is tangent to the graph of this, so I'm using these two formulas. M, the slope of L1 equal F prime at the point of tangency, which you call it A, and Y1 at A equal, agree, the function and the tangent line, they agree at A. So I use the first one to get A, then I use the second one to get B, then I can get M plus B. Which one of the statement is false? Is true. Let me do these things. Yeah, this is not correct. Very clear, because I cannot do the absolute value this way. Here, for example, F is not differentiable at x equals 0. But here is differentiable. I have no problem at 0. So this is for sure is not correct. This is ln 10. This is a number. So the answer should be 0. This is 10 to the power x. So the answer should be 10 to the power x ln 10. So this is wrong. Here, what's the derivative of this? The derivative of this is f prime at square root of x times 1 over 2 square root of x. So I'm missing a square root of x here. That this is wrong. This one, I have f of x to the power half. I want to differentiate it. That will be half. Yeah, let me do the steps. That will be half f of x to the power minus half, derivative of this. That will be f prime over 2 square root f of x, which is this one. So this is correct. Verify the differential. Which one statement is true? This is not correct. Why? Because this one, when you say absolute value of x squared, actually this is x squared. So we have no problems. So the derivative will be 2x. What about the derivative of this? This is not differentiable at x equals 0. But this is differentiable everywhere. So this is wrong. This one is E. This is one of the special limit in 2.3. Huh? This one is wrong. Yeah, we did it before. The problem with this square root of x, huh? The same thing as this one. Same statement. This one, same statement as this one. So that should be 10 to the power x ln 10. This is correct. Check. What's the derivative of, let's say, left-hand side? The derivative of tan square is 2 tan x. Derivative of tan, which is secant square x. Right-hand side, it will be 2 secant x. Derivative of this, which is secant tan. I have secant squared times tan. I have secant squared times tan, all times 2. So this is correct. Let me stop the recording. I think we did a good number of questions. And I will stop the recording. Thank you.